Hi angels, what's up? It's Jiya. Welcome back to my channel. And do you know guys what we're up to? Well, definitely not, but you soon get to know about it. Okay, so I know it's been, I guess, literally 2 weeks I haven't uploaded a new video. I said in my previous video that I will be back with a new video very soon, and this is not very soon. I know. So I'm really sorry for this. I really apologize, but I've been up to something, and I'm also gonna upload that video on my channel, so stay tuned for that too. Alright, so today, as we all know that everything is so Christmassy, we're getting all the Christmassy vibes. So in today's video, I'm gonna do a very Christmassy makeup. Alright, so without further ado, here we go, doing Christmassy makeup. Alright, so let's tie our hair, and now I'm taking my foundation and applying it on my face. Make sure your face is completely cleaned, completely washed before you do this to get the best results. And this is alright. I actually do not apply a lot of foundation on my face because I think it makes the face, cakey, and I don't like that. Alright, so now I'm gonna take this color of my palette, and it's called Henna. So the technique is that we have to apply it like a mask, like the way we wear a mask. Now let's start applying the color all over the area which we surrounded by a boundary. I know I make crazy faces while applying makeup on my face, so please ignore that thing. And you guys just have to fill it all in. Okay, so I'm done with applying the color on my face, and now I'm gonna contour it by using a similar color but of darker shade. And I've also left my eyes without any color because I'm gonna place eyeshadow over it. Now I'm taking the shade Bossy from my palette, and I'm just gonna contour my face. Not my whole face, actually my nose only. I'm done with contouring my nose, and now I'm gonna highlight it by using eyeshadow. And now I'm taking the shade Moon Dust. Actually it's almost empty, but this is the shade Moon Dust, and I'm gonna use it for highlighting my nose. We're all done with the highlighting. Now again, I'm gonna take the shade Bossy for the eye makeup. the one eye and I'm gonna do the second one quickly off the camera. Now I'm done with both the eyes and I'm gonna start with applying my eyeliner. I'm done with the eyeliner and now I'm just gonna apply the mascara. Now this comes the best part, in which will draw gingerbread men and hearts on my face. I'm using this white liner for drawing all the stuff. It looks pretty good. It's the hottest part. I'm applying brown at the corners and then I'm gonna apply red at the center. And we're all done. So this was my first gingerbread man Christmas makeup. And now for the second look, we've been focusing towards my eyes. So let's get into it. Alright, so I've removed my makeup, but I haven't removed my lipstick because we're gonna use the same lipstick in all the other lips. So now, let's get started for our second look. Now I'm applying the shadow, which is red in color and its name is Manager. Now I'm taking this color and I'm just gonna apply it all over the, I don't know what is this thing called, watch me do it. I'm applying the eyeliner and the best part comes after this. And now we're gonna create the snowflakes. Yes, the snowflakes. Alright, so the first snowflakes is all done. And to be honest, I really want to do this off camera because it's so hard to do this on camera. So alright guys, so this is the final look, which I think is good according to the first attempt. And oh mama, I am in love with this look. Personally, yes, totally I'm in love with this look. It looks this is the final look, and I now changed the background because I thought this would be a better place because here's better lighting. Okay, so this is the final look, and I'm quite happy about how it looks, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If yes, then don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll be back with a new video very soon. Yes, this time very soon, I promise. So stay happy, stay tuned, celebrate your Christmas, try my looks, and don't forget to tag me if you post them. Okay, so see you soon. Kisses till next time.